Now the question before us is, a teacher wanted to analyze the performance of two sections of the students in a mathematics test of 100 marks. Looking at their performances, she found that a few students got under 20 marks and a few got 70 marks or above. So he decided to group them into intervals of varying sizes as follows. So here it is the table. Then she formed the following table. Find the probability that a student obtained less than 20% marks in mathematics test. What is given in this question? The question is seems to be big and complicated. No, it is not so. It is very easy. Let us understand the question first. There are two sections in a school, and a teacher has taken a test of mathematics. The total number of students in both the sections are 90. After taking the test, the teacher has grouped the students on the basis of marks obtained. That is, up to 20 marks, the number of students are 7, and 10 students have obtained in between 20 to 30, and so on, and only 8 students have obtained 70 and above marks. So here we have to find the probability that a student obtains less than 20% marks in mathematics test. That is, the question pertains to this point, less than 20 marks. So how? Now what is the total number of students? Total number of students are, this is not given in the question, this is given here in the table. Here, total number of students 90. What we have to find? Students with less than 20% marks. So the number of students obtaining less than 20% marks, here it is given as 7. So now we have to find the probability. Probability that a student obtained less than 20% marks is equal to number of students obtaining less than 20% marks divided by total number of students, as here it is given that the students obtained less than 20% marks. Here these are given marks, though it is not given how many marks were the total for which the questions were put. It is assumed that the number of total number of marks in the mathematics test were 100, and out of that, because here it is written that 70 and above, it is presumed that 70 and above means 70 up to 100. So the number of students obtaining less than 20% marks are 7 divided by 90. So this is the first part. So now we come to the second part. Now here we have to find the probability that a student obtained marks 60 or above. We go to the table. The total number of students remain the same. We write it. Total number of students, these are 90. So now the number of students obtaining marks 60 or above, this is written in the question. 60 or above. So what is the number of students who have obtained more than 60 or above? Here it is 60, and more than 60 means up to the given. Here we will take all these, whether they fall in the category of 60 to 70 or 70 and above, because here it is not written that the students who get 60 to 70, here it is written in the question that all the students who have obtained more than 60. So all the students which have obtained 60 to 70 or 70 and above will have to be taken into consideration. So here the number of students will be 15 plus 8, it will come as 23. So now we will find the probability. Probability that a student obtained marks 60 or above is equal to number of students obtaining marks 60 or above divided by total number of students. So here number of students obtaining 60 or above are 23, and it will be divided by total number of students, which is 90, and this is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.